Hi, I'm Nick with Dorman Products, here to talk to you today about our dipsticks and tubes. You don't have to be a mechanic to take care of the simpler tasks on a vehicle, like filling it with fuel, adjusting tire pressure, or checking fluid levels. While some reservoirs on a vehicle can be checked by removing a cap, a few cannot. Most notably, engine oil and transmission fluid, which both reside in oil pans beneath the vehicle, are checked with dipsticks. The dipstick provides a visual indicator of the fluid level in the pans, which can be obtained conveniently from under the hood. Dipsticks are usually replaced when they've been lost or damaged. Dipstick tubes, the item that guides the dipstick into the pan and protects the stick itself, are usually replaced for different reasons. You'll sell these due to corrosion damage in the salt belt states. Less regionally, these can be damaged during repairs and often if leaking. Since many times they press fit into the engine, undue stress on them and even normal wear and tear can loosen them up enough to cause leaks and breakage. Selling them is pretty easy. You just need to know if your customer needs the dipstick or the tube, and you should ask which fluid is in question. You should be aware that many newer vehicles do not have permanent dipsticks on their automatic transmissions. Similarly, most manual transmissions feature a level or fill plug instead of a dipstick. Dorman has a wide variety of dipsticks and tubes. Notably, we sell many model-specific items, including tubes and the sticks themselves. We sell both engine oil and automatic transmission fluid dipsticks and the corresponding tubes as well. You can also turn to Dorman for universal dipsticks. We have a few styles that are good for custom applications, performance vehicles with deeper than stock sumps, and older vehicles where sticks are no longer available. Another special item we have is an OE Fix dipstick tube repair kit for a Navistar 7.3 engine. If you have a customer with a Ford Power Stroke or International Diesel complaining about difficult installation, this kit is a major time saver. We also feature a limited amount of transmission fluid measuring tools, which function as a temporary dipstick used during routine transmission service and fluid checks. Installation on dipsticks is obviously a breeze, and we don't need to cover that here. Tubes are not much more difficult. The old tube needs to be extracted. This is usually not tricky, but if the old tube has broken flush with the block, fluted extraction tools, taps, and threaded items like screws can be useful to remove the stub, so those might make for a good related sale. Generally, the area should be stuffed with a paper towel to prevent dirt ingress and then cleaned and degreased. The new tube can be installed and bolted in place if necessary. A little lubricant can help protect O-rings if so equipped. We have a great tips and tricks video that you might want to check out at your leisure to help you give good advice to your walk-in customers. There aren't too many tools you'll need to recommend, but definitely don't forget to offer a quart or two of the correct fluid to your customer. If you need any help before, during, or after your sale, our Dorman technical support team is always standing by to help. Give them a ring at 1-866-933-2911. Thanks for taking a little time to brush up on dipsticks and tubes. We hope it helps you and your customers. I'm Nick, and I'll see you next time.